tweet so you can understand why are they fighting and all of that. Why is Tony Yengeni, the recently joined and appointed second deputy president of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, why is he fighting with the member of parliament, David Skhosana? The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has proven that its fiercest battleground is not parliament, but social media. You guys still remember in February when Duduzile Zuma, who has now just resigned as the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's member of parliament, had gone to the same social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter, to insult the then Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, Floyd Nyiko Shivambu. You see. So the Umkhonto weSizwe Party has proven that its fiercest battleground is not parliament,